I am going to explain the least common multiple of algebraic expression. Before you are learning about the algebraic expression, you know here the terms. So how do you identify the terms? The terms comes with multiplication and division. 2x minus 5y, 4xy, x squared like that. These are we are calling terms. What's next one? 3x plus y, 5y plus 3, 2 minus 5m. These are the combinations of the terms. The combinations of the terms we are taking as a, what we call that one? The combinations of the terms we are taking as a expressions. Expressions. I think you got it. These are terms. These are expressions. Now, next one, LCM of a term. You are going to find a LCM of a given term. So here look at this bunch of terms. This term is 3ax and this term is 4a squared b. So how do you find the LCM of these terms? When you are going to find the LCM of a given terms, look at this one. Here you have to think about the numbers first. Here 3 and here 4. Very easy. The given term, you have to consider numerical values only first. What are the numerical values in here? It is 3. Here it's 4. Find the LCM of that two terms, that two numbers. First you want to find the LCM of that two numbers. So how do you do that? Look at this. 3 and 4, you know it is 12. You can do it division method. You can find the multiples of these numbers and the LCM, and you can go with the factors. So I explained three methods to find the LCM of a number. So through that method you can find these numbers. So next one, then consider unknown individual values individually. In these terms there are three unknowns, so you have to think about the unknowns. What are the unknowns in here? Individually you have to think about the unknowns. What are the unknown terms? A is unknown term. What is other one? X. There is a x also. Any others? Yes, B is there. These are the unknown values. Unknown values. Then highest order of A is 2. Then you have to figure out what is the largest index of the unknowns. You individually think about the unknowns. Then you have to think what is the largest index. So here in case A, you check A. A squared is the large one. Easily you can find it. A squared from A terms. Next one, highest order of the B is 1. Check B. Yes, it's only having 1. It is B. There are no any other higher order. So look at this. Highest order of the X is 1. So you have to choose X from X terms. So now again revise what I told. When you have the terms to find the LCM, first you have to find what? Here numbers. Then find the LCM of a number. Then what do you supposed to do? You figure out what are the unknown individually. Then find the highest order of those unknowns. Then you can write all things as a multiplications. I took from 12 here, a squared from here. Check my laser point. B and the x. This is the LCM of the given number. Very easy method. So then we will check this case. What is the first method? First method I told you have to consider 4, 6, 8. You have to consider 4, 6, 8. Now these are the terms in here. First method is 4, 6, 8. You have to think about 4, 6, 8. What is the LCM of the 4, 6, 8? What is the LCM of the 4, 6, 8? Here, look at the LCM of 4, 6, 8 is 24. You can check this one. I give three methods. First one we called division method. So otherwise you can use your multiplication table. In exam they don't ask huge numbers in here, very small numbers. So LCM is 24. You have to think about the terms. What are the terms in here? What are the unknowns? Are there are two unknowns, A and B. Two unknowns, A and B. What is the highest index of the A terms? It is A square. Check here. A square. What is the B terms? B terms is B. Only highest order is 1. You check all the terms, it is 1. Okay. Then what you have to choose from here to 24, from A terms A squared and B terms B. Very easy part. Okay. So now I have put in here another method. Your textbook gives this method. You can write factors of 4, 2 into 2. A can be write A squared. Then I have done very first in this part. 2 into 2 you can be write 2 to the power 2 and A squared. 6ab you have to write 2 into 3 into a into b. Then 2 into 3 you can find out by division method. You have to divide these numbers by what we call prime numbers. You get 2 into 3 a b. Then 8 also can be write 2 into 2 into 2 into b to the power 1. Then they what have done, they choose these terms. What are the terms in here? First they get the largest power of 2 is 2 to the power 3. Check this one. So check my pay attention for my laser point. In this case 2 to the power 3. Then what is next one? 3, it is only 3 to the power 1. A terms A squared. B terms B to the power 1. Then you can write these two things as a multiplication. You get the LCM 24 A squared B. Okay. So now you can try to do exercise 12.1. Try yourself. I will give the time to do that one.